Really? I got a blanket. Look, she has my blanket. She has my blanket. She has my blanket. He has my blanket. She still has my blanket. She has my blanket. See how you my blanket. Give it back. Give it back. It's 1:30 in the morning and she took my blanket. She took my blanket. Give me my blanket. Yeah, give me my blanket.
I just farted.
Give me my blanket.
James, I just farted.
I told you, give me my blanket, fool. She took my blanket. She took my blanket. Yo, she took my blanket. She's on my blanket. Still on the blanket. Here, watch what she does. Just kick it. Just kick it. What's that?
You got my leg.
Really? She still had my blanket. She's still on my blanket. She's still on my blanket. She still has my blanket. Did it? Oh, you gonna mad if she has my blanket? Oh, I got my blanket back. You better not see that. Oh, whoa. Will you stop? Will you stop? She took my blanket again.
Lily!
I'm pretty sure she's not going to give me my blanket. So, you better get out of it. You better not let a dog take your blanket. Well, this is James Abbott at 1:30 in the morning. She took my blanket.
Hush!
She took my blanket.
Shut up!
This is James Abbott, 1:30 in the morning.
Oh.
And I approve
Shut
this
up.
message. She took my blanket.